Alright, this is Mr. Mitchell with a brief video on how to set up a Google Doc and format it properly for MLA formatting to submit any paper for my class. So once you log into Google, go ahead and click on Drive at the top of your menu bar. You'll see all your documents and folders. You may not have any since this is an intro video. The first step is click Create at the top left here. This red button, you'll get a drop down for a couple options. And we can either do a document like Word, presentation, or spreadsheet. So let's click Document. When you do that, you'll get a new document ready that looks just like a Word file, but the place where the functions are located at are a little bit different than, say, Word. So I'll help you out here just a second. First thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the title here because we're going to name it. So if you click, you'll get a pop-up, and we can name this Forms of Government Essay. Alright, click OK. Okay, now for proper MLA formatting, we need to have a header with our last name and page number, so let's do that first. So we're going to click Insert, and we'll click Header. When we do that, it automatically aligns it to the left, and for MLA formatting, you need it to the right. So you'll type in your last name, mine is Mitchell, space one time, and now we need to insert the page number. We can't just type the number because the header keeps everything the same. So let's click Insert and come down here where it says Page Number, and we'll select Top of Page. And you can see it's inserted a 1 here. And if I were to go down to the next page, it would say 2 automatically. Now to get back to your normal document, just click somewhere in here below the header. Alright? So for MLA, everything is double spaced. So we need to come up here to this button here called Line Spacing and select Double. Additionally, all papers are generally either in the fonts of Arial, Calibri is a common one, or Times New Roman. So let's just go ahead and leave it in Arial, and we typically would use a size font 11 or 12 for readability, so we can just leave it at 11. Alright, so you put your name, then you'll skip a line down, and then proper MLA formatting would be to type in the last name of the instructor, so it's me, and then we can also put what hour of the day you're in, so we'll just use first hour. Come down and type the name of the class for world history, for example, and then the date. So today's date could be, I don't know, how about September 19th, 2013. Okay, enter down one more time. Now for MLA formatting, we have to put our title centered, and there's no extra sizing, there's no crazy underlining, no crazy fonts, it's just the title centered. So we could call it Forms of Government Essay. And then I'm going to enter again, and I need to start my typing back along the left hand side, so I'll do that. And all essays that are written properly have all paragraphs indented, so I hit the tab button to do that, and then I begin writing. So my topic sentence could be like, there are many forms of government in the world today. However, that does not mean they are all created equally. And then I double space to start my new sentence, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to continue to write your 5-paragraph essay. First paragraph is your introduction. You're going to introduce the topic, and then for your last sentence is when you would type your thesis statement, which would be, for example, if I wrote my other sentences, and then my last sentence would be, let me tell you a republic, capitalized, is the best form of government. Alright, and that would be it. And I would hit enter and tab and start my new paragraph. And as we've talked about in your workbooks, there are many ways to write this paper, and if this is my econ group or if this is any other class, you would be following the same formatting. First paragraph's introduction, paragraphs 2, 3, and 4 are supporting paragraphs that are supporting your thesis statement, me believing that republic is the best form of government in this example, and then finally your last paragraph is a conclusion, and all you're really doing for that conclusion is wrapping up the things you've already said and then making your thesis statement known one more time so your reader has not forgotten that you are trying to convince them that that is proper. Alright, this concludes how to set up your paper in MLA formatting.